All right, Aaron here, Shutter Mafia Studios in the backyard here. Doing another vlog here. Happy 4th of July, Independence Day. Gonna go on a little adventure here pretty quick. So take a bike ride over to Lake Loveland, a couple blocks down the street here, and see if I can document the fireworks here this year. Can't really see it that well from the driveway. So got it busted out, dusted off the Walmart special bicycle. So gonna show that real quick. I made it pimped it out a little bit here. So let me switch the camera the other directions and we'll take a look at it here. All right, here we go. Here's the Walmart special. I describe it as Pee Wee Herman, Mad Max version of Pee Wee Herman's bike. So I had to dust it off, put some of that green goop over there. It was in the house when we bought it. Lauren left a couple bottles in there and the crap is still good. Aired up the tires. The front tire was going flat, the back one's good. But here it is, pimped it out a little bit. Let's go over it. Starting from the front to the back. The fat tire bell. The pirate flag. Some cool Velcro patches. Team America. Some spent 12 gauge shotgun shells. Got a light on here that is red. It's got like 5 different settings on it, including strobe. So it's pretty cool. Some little dingleberries. The remove before flight. Gonna be toting over this little beauty. Got this from Johnny Boy, KC0GYW. He lives right over there at Mariana Buttes, which is cool. I just talked to him on the ham radio. So we're gonna bring the DMR ham radio along. I'm gonna throw a couple of Mike's lemonades, hard lemonades in the bag. Continuing around. Not much on the back. Some more 12 gauge shotgun blings and another dingleberry hanging from the back seat. And oh, one more thing here so I can document it, me riding, or just turn the camera, switch it to the front camera on the other side that I'm using right now, so you can totally adjust it and fit any phone in here. Pretty cool. I got 2 of those for free at that store I was working at for a while. And so that's it. The war bike, I'll document it. I'm gonna do some, I'm gonna try this app that captures lightning photos, and I'm gonna see if that works for the fireworks. I'm gonna get some video of it, short video clips and short slow motion clips, and oh, what else? Yeah, we'll see what I can get over there, whatever this iPhone will do. Yeah, the slow motion, regular video, and that lightning photo app, and a few short little video clips of the ride over there, so you can see what the situation is like. It's gonna be getting dark. I think they're shooting them off at like 9, so that's it. We'll pick it up when I head out, or when I get there. All right, I'll kick it on for another minute here. Just for another short video clip. We got about 1 block to go. Traffic ain't bad here on the west side of Loveland. All right, it sounds like they're starting it here. possibly. We'll see here. Oh, there was a heart. Alright, we'll try to get some video first. The first one was a red heart shape. Here we go. 4th of July, 2022. These nice folks over here let us hang out in their driveway here. Awesome, shout out to them. A little better view from here. Just collect a little here. Oh yeah, that's nice. This might be the grand finale. Lots of people are starting to leave. The last big one, like that, it looked like a bunch of the stuff landed on the ground, just like it is right now. So there was about a 5-minute delay. This might be towards the end. Okay, I'm down the street a block away. There was like a huge delay. I'm just down the street again and they started it again. This is the big ones. West 2nd, no, West 12th Street, and Hilltop Drive. There ain't nobody here. Shit, next year, this is where I'm going. Perfect view. Not one person around here. I guess there's a car parked right behind me that just pulled up. They're just sitting there with their lights off at the stop sign. There we go. This is gonna be it. That's all, folks.